All right, let's do this real quick. All right, so you guys help me with this. Whatever I write down, you guys write down. This is going to be pretty. This will be a pretty easy section, but oh, there it is. So it says write the equation of a circle with the center of this, right, and the radius of this. Yeah, you gotta write this down. Duh. All right. So remember that the center of the circle is h, comma k. All right, and the equation of the circle is x minus h squared. I'm saying the wrong words, but I'm thinking the right stuff. Just write down what I write down. Y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So the equation of the circle is x minus h, but what's h? Minus 3. We'll come back and have to fix that. Plus the quantity y minus, what's k? 2 is equal to 4 squared. Well, when you minus a minus, what do you really do? Yeah, you add. So this should really technically be x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to, what's 4 squared? 16. Okay? That's pretty easy. Now, the other thing, and this isn't what the textbook is asking you, but, oops, oh, shoot, I didn't want to do that. Okay, good. Let's sketch this in real quick. So if I were to graph this, what I know is a couple of things. So I'm going to sketch the graph, sort of, the best that I can. And the center is negative 3, comma 2. So if I go over negative 3 and down 2, or wait, no. Over negative 3 up 2. Boy, I totally drew that one wrong. So what I'm trying to do is, because I'm running out of space, I want to graph the circle as best I can. So I'm going to go negative 3, comma 2. This is my point C. And the radius is 4. So now one of the things you could do, this is an easy way to kind of cheat. I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a spot. I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a spot on the graph. I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a spot on the graph. And from over here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you could sketch two things. You can count those points, or you can sketch them. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to cheat a little bit. Like a glove. Look at that. Well, bam, with the bacon sizzle. Perfect square. And then you can count. What point is this? This is, it's not a square, it's a circle. What? It's a perfect square. Did I say that? It's not easy, guys. I'm up here trying to do Algebra 2 in my head and write down and say it and graph it properly and not make a mistake. I just kind of learned my shapes. Oh, that's a good one. What's the y value on this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you just got to add 4 to 2, so it'd be 6, right? Boom. Okay. You don't need to do all this extra stuff, but I'm showing you in this example problem because you will have homework problems where you have to do one or the other, and you got to know the relationship. So it's always good to do them all at once. Yes.
If the center is negative 3, 2, wouldn't it be below the x-axis?
Negative 3 represents what coordinate? X. So you're going to go, yeah, let's talk about that. Sounds like we need a review. So we're saying that the center is negative 3, comma 2. Right? We're saying that this is the center. So remember, that when you graph points on the grid that this is x, comma, y. It's very easy to get them crossed up. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So to get to this, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, -3, because left is the negative x direction. And then from there, I'm going to go up 2. I'm going to go up 1. Well, let me draw that a little better. I'm going to go up 1, 2. That's the positive 2. And that's how I get there, because going up is the positive y direction. Okay? So because this is positive y, we go up 2. And because this is negative x, we're going to go to the left 3. From the origin, of course, always. Okay? Any other questions? Okay, good. Good. I feel good about that one.